Hi everyone, welcome to Budget Eats. Today I'm going to make the most easiest tomato based sauce you'll ever need for your base sauces for lasagnas, pastas, pizzas, you name it. It is so easy. So easy. All you need is a little bit of salt, Italian peeled tomatoes, a bit of garlic, butter, and an onion. My onion is peeled, so I just throw it in the pot. There we go. Only thing I did with the garlic is cut off the top. I place it face down in the pot. Then I take some butter. I'm using maybe 250 grams of butter. I'm using 5 cans of the tomato. I'll just eyeball it. That's 500 grams. Throw that in. Then I'm going to open my cans of tomato. I'm going to start it off very slowly. Very slowly. So I'm just going to get my peeled tomatoes, throw it in. One. As the pot is heating up, it doesn't need a lot of heat. It doesn't need a lot of heat. It's very simple. It just needs to stand there for like 45 minutes and just slowly cook away. Another one. I'm using 5 cans because I like to freeze this sauce as well, and I'm making lasagna tonight, so yeah, that's why I'm making this sauce for the lasagna. It's great for bases, just to and people ask why you might use the Italian version of the tomatoes. It's because they're a little bit sweeter, so it doesn't need any sugar and stuff. Just a little bit of salt. And when you do your lasagna, you can add your mince. And when you do it on pizzas, you can just add a little bit of herbs. So it's an all-rounder. Good all-rounder. And then we're going to do the last can. Oh yeah, these cans are on special. These cans are special at the moment at Food Lovers. 5 cans was 50 rand, 40 rand. No, 60 rand. Sorry, 60 rand. For 5 cans. Well, it's out to 12 rand a can. It's very cheap. There we go. Last one in. And now it just needs to cook its way. And I add a little bit of salt, not too much. And then you don't need to worry about stirring it regularly. Nothing like that. Just a little bit of salt. Maybe a little bit of more butter. Can't have enough butter. So there, then we're going for 250. And it needs to cook uncovered for almost 40 minutes. stirring occasionally. Okay, I'll be right back after 45 minutes. Let me just quickly set a timer. And there we go. I'll be right back. Right now, after 45 minutes, just check the consistency. If it's still too watery, just put it on another bit. So yeah, this is a bit too watery. So I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more, so it can mostly evaporate more. Okay. So I'm gonna put it on again. You will notice I put on the heat a bit while doing that. So I'm gonna put it on 800. I'm gonna set the timer again for maybe 15 minutes. So it can continue bubbling away. Don't worry too much about stirring. Okay, wait, that looks a bit too hot. So I'm going to turn it a bit down, 400, and let it simmer away because I want most of the water to evaporate. Okay, I'll check back in a bit. Okay, you will see mine has reduced a lot now, but I still need it to reduce more because it needs to be like a thick consistency. At the moment it is thick, but it's not thick enough. There's still too much water in there. So I'm going to put it on another 10 minutes and hopefully that will be it. But yeah, cooking times depend. If you do a small one, it will take less time, but still I'm going to do it another 10 minutes. $800. Right, it has reduced enough. Now we're gonna fish out the onion. All of the bits of onion, garlic. Okay, this onion wet. You're going to fish out the onions. We're making lasagna later on, so I'm going to use the onions there. But yeah, otherwise you can use the onions wherever, but don't leave it in the sauce. If there's a little bit that stays behind, that's all right. Not the end of the world, but get as much out of it as you can. Okay, let it cool a bit, and then you're going to blitz it with a stick blender. And then it's going to be all good. You can see already the consistency is very nice. You can just squish the tomatoes. I'm going to leave this to cool a bit, then I'm going to come back and use the stick blender on it. But let me first have a taste. Very tomatoey. Could also be used for tomato stews because it tastes like tomato stew. Okay, I'll be right back. If you want to, there's another tip. If you want to, you can squish out the garlic inside that for extra garlic flavor. I'm going to do that with mine just in a bit. It just needs to cool down a bit, so I'll be right back. Righto, I'm going to come around, going to take my stick blender, going to go get the garlic. I'm just going to take the garlic and I'm going to squeeze all that garlic into there. That's all of the garlic. Just going to do half. Okay, then I'm just going to take my stick blender, put it at the bottom and make to get all of those tomatoes. That's why you want peeled tomatoes. Get me a wireless one. And you can decide how chunky you want it. One of them super fine. And that's it. That's how you make a quick and easy pasta sauce. Okay, not really quick, but that's how you make a pasta sauce, a base sauce. Goes on pizzas, lasagnas, pastas, everything. I'm going to show how to use this sauce to make lasagna, or just the mince for lasagna. Quite simple. I'm going to use the onion as well that I used in this batch, and I'm going to fry it up with the mince, and then I'm going to add my sauce to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.